Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I definitely need to come up with a name. In today's video, I will be working with Amla powder, cloves, and Amla oil. So I'm basically partaking in the challenge that I saw online, which was the DIY Amla spray and Amla oil. But the only difference with my challenge is that I'm not going to make my Amla oil from scratch because I already purchased the oil before seeing the challenge. So as you guys know, I love cloves. Cloves have proven to thicken and grow my hair. So I added a few cloves to the mason jar and I measured 2 tablespoons of amla powder that I put in the mason jar. With this particular DIY spray, you want to use warm water, not hot water, not a room temperature water, but warm water. So I'm going to go ahead and add my warm water to the mason jar. Just to recap for you guys that don't know, Amla help boost hair growth. This is actually another Indian secret in growing hair. It's something about Indians, man, because first it was fenugreek, now it is Amla. So I'm very excited because fenugreek worked for me, so I hope that this one works for me as well. So I did mine in this huge mason jar because I wanted to keep the challenge for a duration of 21 days. Let's see how long I can go because you're not supposed to wash your hair. You're just supposed to use strictly Amla spray and the Amla oil if your hair dries out. So Amla boosts hair growth, it protects the hair from external damage, it reduces hair loss, and it serves as a conditioner, especially if you're using it on a daily basis. So now that I have added my warm water, I am going to let it sit for a few days. And guys, that's what it looks like after overnight. I let it sit overnight because I have never worked with amla before and I don't know how it smells, and especially given that I will not be washing it out for 21 days, I didn't want it to smell too bad. And it actually didn't have a bad smell, honestly. I don't know if it's because of the cloves, but it didn't have a bad smell. So the idea is to spray this on my hair every given day and then seal it in with the amla oil only if my hair is dry, because I did not and you do not want to oversaturate your hair with products. So this is my amla oil. I don't know if this is the one you guys use, but this is the one I got off of Amazon. So I'm just going to give you guys a sneak peek to my hair right now. This was not how my hair was, as you can see from my other video, but my last hairstyle where I went to the hair salon, they really pulled my hair and you could see that the back is really suffering. Apart from that, my hair is very thick on its own. I would say honestly that there's no hair texture out there for my hair, but if there is, it's probably the kinkiest of them all. So I'm hoping that this challenge can help fill in the patches that fell out. So I'm going to measure, and the front hair measured about 5 and the back hair measured about 5 as well. This is my first day. I was so tired. I was like, oh my goodness, I don't think I want to film this. But I was like, well, it's the first day. Let's just give it to them. After spraying that, I went in with my amla oil. I'm pretty excited for this challenge, so I'm not sure if you guys are, but let's see how long I can last. So the first week of this challenge is coming to an end, leaving me with 2 more weeks, and I must say I'm really tired of filming this. Also, because I work out on a regular basis, it was really hard not washing my hair, so I stopped this challenge on day 10 and finally decided to wash my hair. So I sectioned my hair in Bantu knots because it's just easier. I already told you guys my hair texture is very thick, so sectioning it out really helps me to wash the hair. So I went ahead, rinsed it, and I'm going to shampoo. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Amla has dye properties, which is why when you spray it, you have to make sure you're wearing dark colors because it might stain your white or color more bright colored shirts. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. I don't really use a lot of shampoo. Again, I only did this for about 10 days, which I know wasn't what it was supposed to be. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse. Now, after rinsing this shampoo off, I'm going to go ahead and use my leave-in conditioner. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and remeasure my hair. The front strand was 6 before it was 5. The back strand is now 5.5, but before it was 5. So there was definitely progress. So I'm going to go ahead and see if some of the bald patches has been filled in. And look at that, not too bad for 10 days. Now imagine if I stuck with this and let the challenge go on for 21 days. I also noticed my hair was much more darker, which was amazing. But next time I intend on following through for 21 days. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.